Thikũ ĩmwe tu thutha wa mbunge kuhitukia mutaratara wa watho wa mogaruruku watho-ini wa kuramata kigiina kia ugima wa mwiri wa NHIF, Akenya nimaheyanite mawoni matiganite mbere ya mutaratara uyu waririirio mbunge-ini ya Senate. Amwe a Akenya nimahimbiirie mutaratara uyu makiuga riu gutire mundu rihingagiririo thibitari ni undu wa wagi wa kigiina gia kuriha biru ya thibitari, ona gutuika undu uyu wahota gukorwo uri kihingisha ni undu wa watho wa NHIF uria ukoragwo hete mundu kamweke ga gucagura thibitari imwe tu ya kurigitwo hari arwaru aria marigitagwo na kuinuka mete gukoma thibitari-ini.
Thiaga wathie guthondekwo na NHIF ukona ndirakaba mirimu iria minene irakaba utumirimu tunini.
There should not be limitation to the access of healthcare by the Kenyans. There's no need why somebody should be restricted to go to a particular facility which is actually accredited by the NHIF. You go to that facility and there are no doctors because they've all been employed.
Oho muingi ni uritie senators gukorwo magikuruhania riendekithia ria thirikari ria gukorwo ikirihira andu wa ukuru wa miaka 18 kuona ingi yao matingikorwo na uhoti wa kwirihira ciringi 500 o mweri.
Kuga mundu above 18 na mundu ti employed nene koragwo hinya muno mundu ucio kota kuriha
ciringi 500 ni mbeca nyingi muno. Turenda gatuone aria mena kuri iguru na aria marihagwo mishara menene marihe mbeca nyingi ingi na waya mena guku thi marihe at least tubesha tunini.
Tirira ndirakoma wodi ati niguo ndiri huthagira kandi ya NHIF na andu aya nyinyi tikuga ni marwana mirimu woni we na miaka 18 ri ukika huthira kandi ugakorwo hina miaka 60 70 ndiraguteithia koguo na miaka iraheirwo 18 ri erarwo tondu ciana ici cie cukuru oni ndirania 500 makwa no ni ndirarihira mwana uri.
Kuringana na mwandiki munene wa kiama kia marigitari guku bururi-ini KMPDU ndagitari Atela, mutaratara uyu ni gukorwo kigacirithia ugima wa mwiri wa muingi makiria mubango wa UHC ona gutuika uri na mathenya marabatara guthingwo.
Everybody being in NHIF is a good thing as a start, but the part of mandatory contribution is a problem. It's a bit tricky because we have about 10.2% of Kenyans that are unsalaried and unemployed.
Atela ni ugite thirikari ni yagirirwo ni guka na mubango wa gutigirira kigiina kiria Kenya marirutaga NHIF nikiahuthirwo uria kwagiriire niguo gutigirira gutire na wara urakungirio a Kenya.
NHIF has lacked accountability over the years, giving it more money without giving us a framework of the increased benefits to the members is actually, we say, is not really doing justice to the public.
Riu mutaratara uyu utanyitwo gutwarwo mbunge-ini ya Senate ni yarikia kuhitukia ugutwarwo kuri mutongoria wa bururi niguo gwikira kirore. Ngiribotera Kameme TV.